Hey there, welcome back. This is my second video on how to make stuff for people that don't know how to make stuff like me. But it's pretty easy, so even I can do it, so you can do it. Well, anyways, so today I'm making a chicken sandwich like Popeyes, but like this guy. And what you're gonna need is a deep fryer, or you can use a pan or something like that, but you gotta make sure you know how to keep the temperature at the right time. So this one's set at about 374. That's the highest, and then it has its own it'll turn on and turn off as it heats up too much, and keeps it leveled out. And I don't know, maybe about maybe a little less than 2 quarts of oil, vegetable oil, corn oil, peanut oil, whatever you want. I think peanut oil is more expensive, vegetable is cheaper, so I went the cheaper route and used vegetable. And so I just, 1 egg, scrambled up 1 egg, and then I bought, what is this, crispy chicken fry, Louisiana, and I added a little bit of pepper, just for a little extra kick. If I had cayenne pepper, I would have thrown cayenne to make it spicy, but I don't have cayenne. And then just a regular chicken breast. This one was frozen. I just thawed it out in the microwave because I'm pressed for time, making videos and stuff, the life of a G. Just kidding. So right now I'm just gonna trim this down, make it bun size, because if I put the bun on it. Oh yeah, I used to use a sandwich bread, but now I actually bought buns, so thank God for that. So yeah, I'm gonna cut, this little side off right here and make it a little rounded, so it won't look all generic and stuff. So I'll do that now. Okay, so I just cut off that little edge. It still looks generic, but oh well. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my little mallet here, and I'm gonna pound the shit out of it. And flatten it up a little bit, tenderize it, I guess. And I spiced that with a little bit of salt and pepper. And this is chicken fajita seasoning, but it came in a bag because I was cheap. And I just put it in one of these and took the label off. It's not McCormick, it's Fiesta brand, of course. So I'm gonna pound the crap out of this, flatten it out, splash all this. And the neighbors love me. And I'm gonna flip it over, do the other side. Alright, that's good, man. Shit, I tore this up. That's what she said. Alright. Got some on my eye. Ain't that some shit? Alright, so now. Normally I put on a glove. So I bought these cheap ass ones at Dollar Tree. Last time they can't even stay on the tack. That's how cheap they are. So it's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Again, that's what she said. Alright, so I finally got the glove on. Alright, cool. It's just it gets messy with when you're mixing with this. So get your chicken. You can how do you say, like, marinate your chicken in like buttermilk and stuff like that overnight, or for a few hours, refrigerated, all that, get more flavor out of it. But I ain't got that much time. And so I dipped it in the egg batter, and then now I dump it in here. So let's cover this all with this batter, breading, batter. So normally before I would just do one coat, man, and it was coming out real thin, not all breaded out like other places do. And I just thought to myself, you know what, just add more egg. So I throw it back in here, cover it up again. That's why I use the gloves, because it gets all sticky and everything. I just use one egg. It's only one, so you'll probably need more egg if you want to make more than one. So it's just me right now. And oh shit. So I'll sprinkle that around. Move it around. La 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 la. You can do it a third time if you want. I think I'm going to do it a third time. Why not, right? Well, there went all the egg. Awesome. See that? That would be your hands. So yeah, now it looks like it's gonna be pretty damn crispy, if you ask me. Okay, so now I'll remove the glove of love. Alright, so add a little bit more flour, breading. So it looks pretty good. Alright, so I took the glove off. And now I'm gonna put it in my little basket here. And this deep fry, hopefully it doesn't spill out oil. Throw it in there. And it's at 375. So now just let it sit in there for a good little while. And we'll cover it up so it won't splash oil. And yep, that's why my chick left me. I'm messy. So we'll let that cook for, I don't know, maybe about 15 minutes, 10 minutes. I'll come check on it in about 10 minutes. And I gotta clean this. Nobody else is. Alright, so you see it's been going for about 5 minutes now. And looks like it's frying pretty good. Right now I'll flip it. That's how it's coming out. See how it's all crispy. Pretty thick little breading around there. So let that continue to fry. Looking good. I'll flip it over in just a sec. So yeah, crispy chicken fried batter. First time I use it 3 times on one thing, so I didn't use that much. Something's missing. Guess I took them all. And now you gotta have fries. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it a little flip. Alright. It's a pretty thick piece of chicken, so you gotta leave it in there quite a bit. Go ahead and cover that up. It's throwing out a lot of oil. So come back in a few minutes. Alright, so I flipped it over for the second time. And yeah, it's still bubbling pretty good. Usually when the bubbling kind of subsides, it's when you kind of know the inside's ready. If not, cut it open. If it's all white, you're good to go. So I noticed how much fries I had. I was like, that ain't enough. So I'm gonna make me some fried okra since I already got the fryer going. So it's pretty easy. I'm just gonna put, I don't know, about a quarter of the bag into the egg here. I'm going to transfer that into the batter. And some people use a Ziploc bag and whatever. I just use an HEB bag, dude. Single life. It's the same thing. I mean, you're just going to mix it up and then I'm going to put it in the basket and then deep fry. It's going to burn all the germs off anyway, if there is any germs on that damn thing. So, let me get the glove of love first. Alright, so I put, they're still frozen. I know, maybe you should thaw them out, but then they get slimy. I don't like dealing with that. So I'll just throw them all in the egg and just mix them up, cover them up with the scrambled egg. That thing's almost done. Look at all that oil splashing. It's alright, I'm good. I'll be alright. Alright, so looks like they're pretty covered up. Alright, let's start transferring them over here. A lot of egg. Yucky. Alright, take that glove off. Alright, so I just checked up on this and looks like they cooked all the way through, man. Nice and white on the inside, no red or pink. So it looks like it's good to go. I'll just dump and see how much I got. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty good. Yeah, heart attack food. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and pick that out. Throw it on that so all the oil can come off. Now, I got the okra. Add some more breading. That's put too much. Oh well. And just mix it up in here. Should double bag it. I didn't. No way. See, stuff seeps through. I blame the box. It's funny I'm using an HEB bag, huh? It's so unsanitary, but this isn't a professional video. Alright. So that's good. Finally this thing shut up. So yeah, you got a good little layer of stuff on there. So I could just dump it all in there. I think I will. Do it over the sink. But I got too much stuff on my sink. Okay, 238. All right. So now we'll just dump it in. Let that cook for about maybe 5 minutes. Shouldn't take long. All right, so here's my chicken sandwich. Pretty good. Buttered my buns this time, not my bread. And you can add your pickles or your mayonnaise, lettuce and tomato, but I don't have any. So yeah, my okra is about done. Yeah, it's done. Go ahead and let that kind of drain. I'll put it over here where the chicken sandwich was, where it left its little soul glow patch. Chicken soul glow. And go ahead and we'll put that kind of. Alright. Doesn't burn me, I got callus. That's not an STD or nothing, that's just what you get on your fingers. And then I'll add my fries, my little bit of fries. It's probably enough for everybody, but not me. I made those in the oven. I'm not trying to kill myself or nothing. Alright guys, so there's my fried okra, and there's my french fries and my Popeyes, this guy's chicken sandwich. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching. Again, shout out to my boy, Bomb Shelter Leathers. Makes koozies, makes caps, t-shirts, leather goods, leather products. His wife also, Bombshell Creations. And I guess I'll give another shout out to Birdie's Creations, Linda. Well, I didn't give her any credit because she's the one that showed me how to do the carne guisada in my last video. I told her what to put in it. She made it, so I'll give her credit and I'll give her a shout out. Birdie's Creations. She's on Instagram. Bombshell Creations, also on Instagram, Facebook, and Bomb Shelter Leathers, also on Instagram and Facebook. So, thank y'all for watching. Enjoy and God bless.